Hey guys, I'm back with another idiom. Everybody loves idioms. The one I've got for you today, guys, is time is of the essence. Time is of the essence. Now, what does this mean? We use this idiom, guys, generally as like a gentle encouragement to get somebody to do something a little faster. Say you're in a hurry. So, example sentences: the business meeting starts at 12. We need to prepare the agenda. Time is of the essence. One more example: the train leaves at 11 o'clock today. Time is of the essence. Get your stuff packed. All right, my lovelies, that's today's idiom. Time is of the essence. See you next time, guys. Bye.